Hey, okay. Hey, bang, bang, bang. Hey, bang, bang, bang. Yeah, I come up through this bitch, shaking up my chest. I'm coming through this thing, your girl, she said her pussy wet. I'm going so hard, I'm going hard for the team. I'm playing with the heat, and I'm about to shoot it down three. I'm coming through this thing, my number five nigga net. I'm coming through this thing, so there ain't no need to try to deflect. Cause I'm going up so hard, I'm on that CM789. What you wanna do, y'all polar going up, break your motherfucking spine. Yes, I'm going so hard on the motherfucking video. Anytime you see me eating on some Cheerios, Dito, the Tito chip. Nigga, what? I'm bust your lip. Keep talking, don't break your hip. Hell no, nigga, I ain't no clip. Nigga, I ain't no trip. Cause I'm going hard for the flip. Keep on talking my little nigga. Eat your ass like a chip. You too, loot too, red too, pouring hole. What you wanna do? Nigga, keep on getting up under the cover. Get up under the cover. Bitch, I kidnap your mother. Keep on talking bull jump. Nigga got you under the cover. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm about to take off. Watch your polar smoking on a blunt as it blow out. Chill. Bang, 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 bang. Hey, they call me number one. They call me number two. They call me number three because I shoot a two and then I pop a three and then you get on your knees. My nigga keep on there talking and itching just like he got them fleas. I'm going so hard, nigga, get the freaking paper so I can chew your flavor. Fruit is up like 9 laters. L4, L5, L6. Keep on talking, pussy nigga. Bet your girl get a lick and your girl be chasing chicks and your girl be chasing dick. But I ain't even playing with you cause your girl be chasing clicks. But I ain't saying that she's a dyke, but I'm just saying that she's a hoe. But I'm just saying that she just hit the flow on that dro. Hey. Oh. Bang, 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 bang. We saying the bang, bang. My nigga, we talking about the train. 25th is about the 26th. It's about to hit the 27th. So I'm about to hit the lit. And the PFP, hey pussy niggas come see me. Cause I'm coming through with this thing, your police gonna knock your feet. Hey, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That 10. You keep talking my nigga. Watch I don't that damn realm. Hey. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, nigga, we talking on the iPhone. That girl got my whole fucking mind gone. But I ain't even gonna tell you, she got me in the zone. But I'm finna go in the kitchen cooking up the Roman noodles. You looking like a poodle, nigga looking like a doodle. Boy, you looking like a snoodle. I'm going so hard, I'm finna throw the shades back on. I need my shade cause I'm high as fuck, so yes, I'm in my zone. Chill. Check me out.